In today's video, we'll be testing out and comparing the PreSonus Eris E4.5 speakers against the Audioengine A5 Plus speakers. We'll see which one sounds better for the bang for the buck right now. Before we go into our audio comparison, I want to give you guys a quick little unboxing experience of both of these speakers when they come in their packaging. Of course, the Audioengine 5 definitely is probably got to be the best one of both because it's got a nice quality box uncut, open with your box cutters, and then each of the cables and speakers come in little packaging, which looks really high quality and professional when you're unboxing this thing. Now, note about this speaker is that it is a brush finish, so it does look really clean on the front and also on the back side too on both of these speakers. Now let's go over the ports.
Okay, so you've got an antenna for Wi-Fi. Okay. You've got an input for
3.5.
Yeah, it's a quarter inch, I think.
Okay.
These are your left and right inputs for your aux. This is your output to perhaps a subwoofer, and speaker posts. Now these posts will go over to that guy.
Gotcha.
And then this is nice. It comes with you can use 240 volt or 120.
Now, for the PreSonus actual speakers, the actual packaging isn't as fancy as the Audioengine 5 speakers, but honestly, it doesn't matter as long as they perform really well.
Okay, so you're looking back at the Eris PreSonus 4.5 Bluetooth speaker. It has a nice feature of the thing is that its power supply is multi-voltage. It handles 100 to 240 volts, which means that it can work anywhere from Japan, US, to Europe with the right adapter. The next thing is it's got a nice, you'll see a little EQ on it. Sometimes these EQs allow for, you can use them for sending music out to a subwoofer, things like that. So this is nice that it has that feature. The other unit that we tested doesn't have that. Very basic but effective wiring for speaker wire. It has an input and it also has, this is nice, balanced, I guess a balanced input is what it's saying. The larger half-inch connector for speakers that you would have like on a more professional. So they're trying to say this is a more professional device.
Now that you listen to both of those speakers, let me tell you the difference between the two. First thing is, of course, our Audioengine speakers. Now, this speaker is really great. Its boost is amazing. The sound is awesome, but it is a bit muddy at times with some music, so you won't be able to hear like a good sound of it. It's not very detailed, but at the ends. But honestly, if you have a good setup, like I'm going to show you in a bit here, that it actually slaps.
What you think about when you're born into a fire? Let 'em burn it out. Sell 'em to the richest buyer.
Now, the PreSonus speakers are definitely really good price to performance because they actually go around $200 up in the actual price range, and the audio is really nice where it's actually really detailed, but it's lacking the boost compared to the actual Audioengine. Audioengine has that boost, but it's a bit muddy, but with the right setup, it can be optimized to be amazing. But of course, the ones we were talking about don't have that extra boost. Now, you could increase the gain on them. They get a little bit more boost by that, but you'll probably have to increase it to 75% to get that volume. So if I had to pick between the two, I'd probably say if you're just looking for some new speakers that you want to get some good sound out of, and you don't plan to make a full setup, I'd probably go with, of course, the PreSonus. Now, if you're going to make a full setup in the future here and you want to future-proof yourself, I would actually go for the actual Audioengine just because of the fact that you got future upgrades down the line with it. and that is the comparison between those two speakers. Let me know, which one do you prefer, the PreSonus or the Audioengine, in the comments down below. I'd be really curious to find out. But if you did enjoy this video today, make sure to smash the like button, get subscribed so you don't miss any more of our cool tech content or audio content. And of course, don't forget to check us on Twitch. We do stream there every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. They have a link down below to our Twitch channel. Until then, I'll see you guys in another tech video. Tech Grant out.